Agapanthus is a much loved summer bloomer, and I really like this plant. I like it so much actually because I fell in love with alliums first, and then these just follow on flowering the same shape, the same form, the same spherical gems of flowers that you get, but just later. So they really do fill that summer gap. They are a bit Mediterranean. They're often grown in the Mediterranean. So if you want to transport yourself to that kind of part of the world and hark back to memories of family holidays or travels, this is the perfect plant to do it. But Poppin Purple is special because this is a reblooming version of Agapanthus that will flower for twice as long as most regular Agapanthus. So normally they flower for about 2 months, which is a fantastically long flowering time, but Poppin Purple doubles that and goes to at least 4 months. So from June, July, August, September into October, this will carry on reblooming and reflowering for you. So looking fabulous, working hard, really giving you the ultimate value for money from a plant in your garden. Now, it's a bit more compact than many, grows to about 2 foot tall, but it's the colour that makes this special, hence the name. So before the flowers actually first open, the colour of the actual spherical head is going to be almost so dark blue. In certain light conditions, it has the look of being black. And then when it pops open, you get that lovely purple that then follows through. So amazing colour changing, amazing reblooming. Winter hardy down to about -5, but do pick a well-drained, sunny spot for it if you really want it to grow and thrive. Failing that, grow it in a pot with plenty of free draining compost. It will do really well there. Then you can move it into a sunny spot as you need. So Poppin Purple, one of the best Agapanthus, modern breeding, reblooming, fabulous for your garden. This is the one to pick. If you've never grown an Agapanthus before, get this one. If you've already got some in your garden, add to your collection with Poppin Purple.